Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah and oh guys, it's been so long since we last spoke. I think it's been 2 weeks since I uploaded a video, so a very happy new year to all of you. And today is my birthday, so I just wanted to get ready to church and probably dinner later, and I wanted to take you guys along. Let's get quickly started before any further ado, and I will speak to you as we go through. So this video is going to be more like a chit chat video. Let's get quickly started. So I've already prepped my skin with moisturizer and foundation and already did my eyebrows. If you want to see this routine, you can check it out. I will put my other makeup videos over here where I do the foundation routine as well. But today I just want to focus on my eyes and so I just wanted to speak to you guys. So let's get quickly started. So for the eyes today, my outfit has a lot of black in it. So I was thinking maybe to do something with black and gold. So let's see how it goes. I do not have anything in mind. So today I wanted to try using this palette. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Meet Matte Adore. This palette. It has quite a few mattes, but mostly all dark shades. Oh, wow. So mostly all dark shades, and I'm thinking I'll use this black over here to start with, and then few brown shades as the transitions, and then maybe a hue of gold. So let's get really started. So yes, so I'm starting off with this light brown shade here as a transition. So our Christmas was really good. We had a really nice time. My brother-in-law and their family, they had come over for Christmas lunch, and we had gone to their place for Christmas Eve dinner. It was fun to be with family, and it's nice to spend time, especially Christmas with family. And then for New Year's, Elijah and I, both of us, we were not feeling well. We felt sick, and so it was not, we didn't really do much. We were at home just trying to get all the snuggles as we can, and so nothing else. We didn't do much. So for the next transition shade, I'm using this darker brown here. This is in the shade Matte Williams. Just applying that a little below the previous light brown transition. So next I'm going to be using this black matte shade at the outer corner, and then taking whatever is in the brush into the inner corners, and then we will use gold on the lid. So I've applied black to the corner, and I'm just using a clean blending brush to just blend the black in, so it's not too very harsh and doesn't look like someone punched my eye. So I just want to layer on the gold. So first I'm going to be using this shade here. This is from the e.l.f. palette. I'm just using my finger. I'm just going to apply it so that it blends along with the black. We will go again on top with the black, so you do not need to worry even if it gets washed out. So I've already applied the gold as well. So just to intensify the gold, I'm using this single shadow from Urban Decay. This is in the shade Easy Baked, and I'm just going to use my finger here as well. Just bringing it further. I'm just going to use my finger itself to blend it along with the black, so we don't really need a brush for this. Just slightly blend the black and the gold together. And then I'm just using a clean blending brush to again blend everything. And then for my lower lash line, I'm using these two brown shades that we started off with. So we can just bring the entire look together. And so we're just going to go again a little bit over all these, so the black looks a lot more prominent. It must have gotten washed out a little because of the gold that we applied. So I'm just very slightly just going to be bringing in that black again. So I'm using the clearance eye pencil on my waterline. And so for blush today, I'm using this one. This is from Annabelle. This is the Perfect Blush. I'm just using this blush brush, then just going over the cheekbones. I actually like to do this as well, the tip of the nose. It just gives a very natural, sort of a nice peachy natural blush. Highlighter, my favorite. This is one of the best from the drugstore. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is in the shade Molten Gold. I think there is another one that's suitable for much fairer skin tones, but this one is really good for brown skin. So I'm just using a highlighter brush. This one's from ELF, and I'm just going to highlight the high points. My nose, the tip of my nose. Above the eyebrows. Highlighting these places will look, especially for photos, it will look very nice if you highlight the high points. It makes your face, gives that natural glow, especially on photographs. And then I'm just going to highlight my brow bone as well. It makes the eye a lot more lifted. I'm going to be adding a little bit of this highlighter to the inner corners as well. So it makes your eye a lot more open and wide. And for mascara, I'm using the Colossal from Maybelline. One thing that I like to do once you finish your eye makeup is to use a wet wipe and just clear up the sides, so it gives you that nice sharp edge, makes the eye look a lot more better, because especially using dark colors will sometimes smudge the sides of your eyes as well, and that will sort of make your eyes look more rounded. So I like to clear up the sides, so it makes it gives that nice sharp look. That's it. Today I'm not going to go in for any bronzer, because I just wanted to focus on the eye and nothing else, just keep the face simple. So for lipstick today I'm using this one. This is from CoverGirl. This is in the shade 310 Scarlet, and I'm just going to use my Burt's Bees lip balm to first prep the lips, so it doesn't make the lips a lot more dry. I'm following up with Scarlet. So that's the finished look, my friends. I just wanted to focus on the eye today and keep everything else very simple. So I will get ready now and I'll show you guys my outfit and take you guys along with me for today. So see you soon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. thankful for another year that the Lord has given me. So many blessings this year to come, and such a wonderful year it had been. 2019 was a beautiful year, and looking forward to a lot more blessings for 2020. And I wish you all a very happy new year, and may this new year be filled with lots of joy, happiness, and best of health. Hey guys, so we just finished church and we've come to Mandarin. This is an Asian cuisine restaurant. We've come here for buffet, and I just wanted to show you how the weather here in Toronto is. It's very bad today. It's raining heavily, and I just wanted to show you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it is actually raining heavily, and this is how it's been since morning today. You can see it's coming into the car as well. So we're just getting down with our umbrellas, and there is Mandarin. So that's our restaurant. So catch you guys inside. And we are here at Mandarin. They have an amazing array of food, especially the buffet. I'll give you like an overall view of the buffet, and my favorite is the dessert table. Like the array of desserts that they have is just amazing, and you just want to just gulp down everything. It's just so good. All the the jellies and the ice creams, and you can just have as much as you want. And I'm just started off with starters now, and then we'll go in for the main course and dessert. So I'll give you guys posted. I'm in dessert heaven now. I'll just show you my plate. See, the things that I've picked up is cakes, and there's caramel, and then there's some, I think this is rice pudding, and then cupcake, and then a cheesecake as well. Look at Elijah. Thank you. So I'm just going to enjoy myself with all these desserts, and because it's my birthday, I think I'm just going to indulge in some guilt-free desserts. So I'll catch you guys soon.
Okay, everyone, very good. Let me take photo for you. Oh, thank you.
What's that? It's a candle?
What's that?
Hey guys, so we're done for the day and we're going back home now. I hope you liked this video today. If you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also take up your time to please ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, my friends, see you soon. Bye bye. Bye-bye.